So we've just, after a night of, I don't know, drinking and barbecuing and a swim, come to my mate's office, which is a spring company here in Rayong, Thailand, Eastern Seaboard Industrial Estate. When we were coming down this way yesterday, this will surprise you, the air packed up. So we've just had a multimeter in there, and there is power to the clutch, which I guess means that the clutch is burnt out. So it's 30 degrees outside. We will continue our journey with the windows open, old school. So just a quick look around the car, I guess. 1600 cross flow. I changed the head on it. I put the supposed to be a big valve head, and it did have bigger valves than the head that I took off. It was just an Ashley 4-branch and system off an Escort with a slight modification to fit the Capri. The twin choke, a little bit of port matching done on it. No idea what power it makes. It's still running the standard Dizzy. Yeah, so but it goes okay. It's a bit of fun. We've got the Light copies on it. Paintwork's dodgy. I mean, it's the paintwork that the car came with 5-6 years ago when I bought it. The car sat for a while, and then we dragged it out to a few hill climb events with. So the suspension on it is all done. It's just tight. Polyurethane bushes all over. New wheel bearings, Spax gas adjustable shocks, upgraded springs. I think 220-pound springs on the front. So it's a scruffy thing, but it's it's all right. It's solid and it handles and it goes all right for an old 1600. It'll cruise at 120 kilometers an hour, which is about 70 odd mile an hour, very happily with the old 4-speed. There isn't any carpet turning in it at the moment, apart from the mats, because it still lets in water. We changed the front windscreen rubber, but it's still letting water in. We'll still sort that out one day. But I guess when the red Escort's finished, this will maybe get retired. The GT dash in it. There's the aircon. And some Recaros that we threw in there for comfort and support. But yeah, the good old girl. Lots of fun. So I guess time to guide her back to Bangkok now. See you later.